Are you willing to spare a few minutes to repair the gadgets at your home? Then welcome you all to the self-repairing series. This is Max, you're watching me on Magstar Studios. Let's get started. In today's video, we are going to repair the immersion rod water heater. The heater doesn't have many components. It consists of heating rod, which is connected directly to the power supply. This rod was handled badly the whole time while using, which caused the wire damage. Let's unscrew and open the head. Now check the connectivity of the rod using multimeter. The light glows in the multimeter, which indicates the rod is working fine. If the tip of the rod is rusted, use sandpaper to remove the rust. Since I don't have it now, I'm just using the available materials to remove at least few amount of rust. This ensures proper connection. Once the rod terminals are cleaned, sleeve the wire to required length and connect it to the rod terminal. Use insulation tape if needed. Since the screws are rusted and unable to remove, I'm using the insulation tape to seal the whole head part. It's done and ready to use. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Catch you on the next video.